Hey folks, welcome to my channel. This is my central vacuum that just kept running on no matter what I did. I actually had to go into the garage and unplug it from the wall. That was the only way to stop this unit from running. It was bought at Costco a long time ago. Those are the connections that I disconnected, hoping that it would fix the problem. But obviously, the problem wasn't in the house; it was in the vacuum itself. So, like I said, I went into the garage, unplugged the unit, took it into my kitchen here, and basically there's two clips, one here and one here, and you can take this unit apart quite easily. So kudos on Hoover for making a great machine.
Well, I just took the cover off, and this is what you find. A piece of cardboard. Interesting. So there's the cover, all washed up. And I mean, it was only one screw, so kudos on Hoover for making a great machine that's serviceable. Basically, this is what we were dealing with. Just a piece of cardboard protecting, I guess, the motor so that nothing would get in here. And I guess it's okay. It's just a little bit of dirt. Not too bad. But I imagine the problem is in this board. Or the switch. Anyway, there's the inside. Well, there was another one of these clips, and I undid it, and of course the housing around the motor's coming off, so I can get to everything a little better. So, like I said, I think the problem's in here.
This vacuum was actually made to be serviceable and to last for a long time, not like the vacuums that are made today or anything that's made today that is engineered to fail after a certain amount of time so they can get you to buy a new one. We should have laws against that. That's why our landfills are filling up with all kinds of old products.
Hey folks, well, I'm getting back to this vacuum, and as you can see, I've got it down to the board, the printed circuit board, and there's some contacts in there right here, and they were fused together. So basically I've dislodged them and I'm going to sand them. So right here is where the 120 or 110 15 volts gets contacted. It activates this little lever here, and now it's dislodged, so it's actually working now. So I'm gonna have to get a little sandpaper and maybe sand those contacts, and hopefully they won't get fused anymore. Anyway, probably can't see any of this because I don't have any light in there. I had to use my little contraption here to see what was going on. Here, maybe you can see it better there. Contact.
I put the vacuum back together. It's been working fine for about a year now. Great unit, and thank God it was engineered to last, unlike the stuff that's made in China. So subscribe, give me a like, and trip on this.